guys? Good morning. It's currently April 16, day 107 ng daily vlog. And it's 5:30 a.m. Pauwi ako galing office. So yeah, another day to be thankful. Another day na nilaan ng Ama para mabuhay, to serve our purpose, be it to work in order to support our families, also to spread goodness, kindness, and love to everyone around us. Kakarating ko lang dito sa apartment and papahinga muna. Gising ko lang at nalobat yung phone ko tapos hindi nag-alarm, so nagising ako 1 hour late. So ngayon preparing 4:30 na 1.5 hours na ako late. Papunta pa lang ako ng office, so very unfortunate na minalas ako. Nalobat yung phone ko, hindi nag-alarm. Ganun talaga. Pasok muna ako office. On the way na sa office. Late. Lunch break muna. Kakatapos lang na and tambay muna ulit dito sa karaoke room. Guys, dito ka natatapusin yung day 108 for April 17 vlog. And it's been a really good day, and as always I'm very thankful, I'm grateful to God for everything, and we just have to continue to pray, to pray for strength every day, and so yun nga, nalate ako kanina but nag-OT ako 3 hours just to compensate my lost hours dun sa work. So see you tomorrow.